at JetBowl North, the Area 21 Special Olympics bowling event for the elementary campuses. We have approximately 15 LISD schools who are sending students to participate in the competition for bowling. So the students we're awaiting more of our students to arrive to start the event. They are accompanied by their teachers and their teacher assistants, and we're super excited to be hosting them, for them to have a good time. This event is monumental for our students in the special education realm because they participate in adaptive PE at their campuses. So they practice this bowling event in their PE class with their adaptive PE teacher every day leading up to the event. They've also been to a couple of practices with their coaches and their teachers to help them prepare to do well here. So we're excited to, at the end of the event, be awarding them their gold, silver, or bronze medals. We have approximately 15 campuses from Laredo ISD, elementary. We're just excited again to be hosting our students, and the main goal is for them to have a great time.